could draw things exactly as you imagine them? What if you could lift your pen off the paper and create real objects? The 3Doodler is the world's first and only 3D drawing pen. It's been designed to be compact and easy to use. No software, no computers. You just plug it in and can start drawing anything within minutes. The beauty of 3Doodler is how simple it is. Everyone knows how to use a pen, so we designed a 3D printing pen. If you can scribble, trace, or wave a finger in the air, you can use a 3Doodler to create simple or complex objects. And we're making 3D creation accessible to everyone. A 3Doodler is the most affordable way to 3D print. So how does it work? 3Doodler uses cutting-edge, patent-pending technology to heat and cool plastic as it passes through the body of the pen. Just like a 3D printer, the plastic cools rapidly and becomes hard. The possibilities are endless, including 3D models, jewelry, decorative art, toys, fridge magnets, or a scale model of the Eiffel Tower. It can even be used for basic repairs. 3Doodler represents a whole new medium for artists, makers, 3D enthusiasts. In fact, anyone wanting to express their creative side.
Unlike other 3D printing pens on the market, PolyS utilizes light curing technology. Photosensitive polymers are exposed to ultraviolet light. At the same time, this allows the PolyS to avoid disadvantages found in other printing pens that use ABS or PLA materials. We have completely eliminated all high-temperature parts, so that drawing no longer means having to work with high-temperature 500 degrees Celsius tools. Our goal is to provide users with the safest experience possible. We believe that 1.2 inches is the ideal diameter for hand-operated tools. This provides users with the greatest degree of control when holding the tool with one hand. From the LED battery indicator and ink level port to the pen's elegantly designed concave pen tip, every aspect of the PolyS has been designed with the needs of everyday users in mind, so that drawing is an enjoyable experience.
The world should be colorful. PolyS's beautiful exterior should convince you to say yes to a polychrome world. PolyS is not only colorful on the outside, it's filled with color. You can mix and match inks in every color of the rainbow. We also have scented inks, inks that are transparent, glow in the dark, inks that change colors with different temperatures, and many other fun options. PolyS's wide variety of inks provide users with a feast for the senses that goes beyond just 3D. The most colorful pen is also the safest. Blue LED ink, developed exclusively by FutureMake, can be solidified using light from the normal, visible spectrum, which makes PolyS safer for children to use than any other 3D printing pen.
Our researchers put significant effort into developing blue LED technology, which was recently awarded a Nobel Prize in Physics. This technology can achieve the same solidification effect as ultraviolet light, but without any danger to eyes. In addition, the PolyS comes equipped with a tilt sensor and safety switch, which is not only a technical improvement, but also a way to make sure that the PolyS is completely safe for child use.
This pen is the technology that touches the peak of professionalism. All existing 3D pens are large, heavy, uncomfortable, and uneasy to use.
Lix is designed to offer an entirely new experience to all the creative people. The enhanced dimensional features of Lix help them to come up with something unique and interesting.
Lix has a great potential and can be a perfect tool for stylists, architects, designers, and anybody who are interested in 3D printing.
In short, Lix has everything an experimenter needs. This small device will allow you to go beyond your imagination. LYX 3D printing pen is for you. If you love to experiment different things, it will open new possibilities in your creativity.
If you are stepping into a profession in a groundbreaking way, then this small and smart 3D printing pen will help you add that spark to your work.
LYX, the smallest and smartest 3D printing pen in the world. It is highly portable, with its small size and power cable that you can plug on any traditional USB ports. LYX is a pen, but not one of the ordinary. Having the three-dimensional ability, it enables you to doodle in the air. It has a perfect size. Just handle this small and smart pen once and notice that it fits perfectly in your hand, giving you extreme comfort and balance while you draw. Advanced technology meets beautiful design, from the sustainably aluminum body to the elegant technological core. Every detail in LYX combines beautiful engineering and meticulous craft. Some examples include accessories, decoration pieces, arts and crafts, artistic jewelry, fashion prototypes, and different forms of drawings. You can make anything out of it within just a few seconds. Essentially, LYX 3D printing pen has the similar function as of 3D printers. It melts and cools colored plastic, letting you create rigid and freestanding structures, which can be formed in any imaginable shapes. This exceptional pen is a small and smart pen that does not require paper. We are excited to share this amazing experience with you.